Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Let me show you my new friend right here. And she's feisty. She's angry bird. Check it out. We don't like to keep it caged. We keep her open. So here she is. She's a little shy. But wait till you put your finger there. And she sings really beautiful actually. So here, let the fight begin. Check this out. Whee! Wait, Baba, focus on the bird. Ready, birdie? Whee! Let's see if she will fight the camera or not. Whee! Ow! 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 She fights. She's very cute.
I also put my hand there. He also fight with my hand.
See how she follows the finger.
He should do like this. Then he will watch up and down.
Now she will come here. Ding. Hello birdie. Hello birdie. Angry birdie, right?
So angry and fight. Hey, Papa. Papa, I know. Hey, Papa.
Now she's not angry. Ow. Ow.
And Birdie covered with feathers.
Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, buddy. Are you scared? Ow, 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 ow. Don't bite, just stay on my finger. Yes. Learn to stay on my fingers. And that is the best place for Birdie to sit. Hey Birdie, if you learn to sit here, we will let you drive with this guy. Do you want to fight again? Do you want to fight again? Do you want to fight again? Do you want... Ow, 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 ow. Do you want to fight again? Ow, 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 ow. Okay, just stay there. Hey, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all the coolest and regular RC videos, RC shows, RC reviews, time-lapse videos, and much more. Thank you very much for all your support. More videos are coming. We're gonna eat this cod maybe.